Hey, it's Mike Watson with Keller Williams with your monthly market update for September of 2019. September was another oddly good month. The number of homes that went into escrow was up 6% over the previous month, and 44% versus September of 2018. Like I said last month, I think that is all due to interest rates. They have fallen again to 3.61, which is the lowest it's been in several years and almost the lowest it's ever been. So I think that is spurring on the economy and the number of buyers who are purchasing homes. Again, the reason why it's so interesting is that we're now in the fourth quarter, and to see the number of homes that went into escrow versus fourth quarter of last year be up 44%, that's massive. So let's see how that continues to play out. And we'll go from there. The inventory, so the total number of homes for sale was down 6% versus August, and down 15% versus September of last year. So being down 6 and 15% is a big jump, but when the number of homes for sale is down 15%, but the number of homes that went into escrow was up 44%, that's a pretty big gap. Again, let's see how all of this continues to play out going into the end of the year. The average sales price is barely up 0.5% versus last year, and then the average sales price was down 3% from August to September. Not a big deal. We've fluctuated in our average sales price for the last year and a half or so within a 10% margin. For the most part, we've bounced from 300 to 330 back and forth over the last 18 months for sure. So not really a big deal that it's a 3% drop over month to month. So the number of homes that have closed escrow were up 12% versus last year, and we're down 20% from August to September. Again, going from August to September, not a huge deal because that's the transition from third quarter to fourth. But year over year to be up 12% is pretty substantial. Again, with the number of homes going into escrow being up 44%, 12% is not a huge deal, but we'll see how that continues to play out. The listing price versus selling price ratio is barely moving. It's down 0.1% versus last year. So we're at 98.8% of the price that people are asking versus what they actually get. And then it was down 0.2% from August to September. Not a big deal. We're still actually above average for a market. Market's usually like 97.5% in a healthy market. So we're still above that. So the market is doing well in that sense. The average days on market is up 8.7% versus last year. And that's at 40.5 days. That's really interesting to see that the number of homes that have sold and closed are up significantly, and the number of homes that are in escrow are up tremendously, but the days on market are also up. It's interesting to see, but again, like we just, that's a short-term pattern, and I want to see how that plays out in long-term before we really jump to any conclusions. And the days on market might be high because the interest rates have fallen drastically over the year. And so at the beginning of the year, they were much higher, right? So anyway, we'll see how that all goes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My cell phone is 661-733-2196, and feel free to respond to this email. Hope you guys are having a good day, and I will talk to you soon.